The ocean, a majestic yet dangerous place that holds some of the world's most enigmatic wonders. Although it's divided into 5 segments, the main focus of this documentary is to discuss the Atlantic Ocean and the eccentricities stored in its waters. It's known for its extensive biodiversity, and it's home to various types of aquatic ecosystems. Every ecosystem consists of biotic and abiotic factors coexisting in balance. The Atlantic is no different. Let's focus on the mid-Atlantic specifically from now on. The mid-Atlantic's biotic factors are its living things, which consist of the animals, plants, bacteria, and protists that swim, crawl, and float amongst its waters. These exotic sea creatures and colorful plants, without leaving behind those microscopic organisms, play vital roles in this underwater ecosystem, either by maintaining an environmental balance or by maintaining a balance among the diverse population. The mid-Atlantic's abiotic factors, on the other hand, are those non-living things that affect where the previously mentioned plants live. These factors can be the sunlight, the temperature, the salinity, the rocks, the water currents, the topography of the ocean floor, and even the pollution in those waters is classified as an abiotic factor, although it was initially introduced by humans.
In Puerto Rico, we are located in the mid-Atlantic, so in order to enjoy its wonders, you can go to any beach and you're already there. People enjoy basking in the warm and freezing waters of the mid-Atlantic frequently, so local companies organize activities such as scuba diving to interact with animals, or the rental of glass-floored boats to admire the underwater world comfortably. After all this discussing about the marvels of the mid-Atlantic, you might be wondering, how can you actually get there? Well, it's quite easy. You just need to pick your favorite swimsuit, hop in a car, and head to any beach in Puerto Rico. If you decide, right after school here in Bayamon, to go to the beach, the nearest one in San Juan is 21.3 kilometers away, with a driving time of about 29 minutes, including traffic jam delays.
The best time of the year to visit is in spring due to the fact that you avoid algae season in winter. Summer is usually rainy and hurricane season is between the end of summer and fall.
You may be wondering why you should visit, and to that, we reply, why not? The tropical climate is perfect for vacations. You can go through a once-in-a-lifetime experience of interacting with exotic animals while also viewing the mesmerizing plants of the area. Just take your time, lie on your back, relax, and let the soothing ocean smell and tropical weather take you.